Why you stop park up at the stand?
Yo, I can't mother be a bad mind thing up there, so.
So why them a bad mind you?
So you know, say most of the people that my taxi them prefer. And the youth them are part of the taxi company. I say, oh, them can't get no work since me come on the stand. So them not want me then. So I can't bother the vibe, so I just slow it out.
Well, I don't like when me I go for take taxi and them a grab up people. I don't like it, man. So I'm kind of glad say you're the down here.
Yeah, man, so me I stay in my lane, man. So watch out now, which way are you?
Supermarket, me I going on, I want to get some things for the house.
Which one?
Dollar Value.
So far?
At first, me ever hear one taxi man bad about the distance. But I think I just want to collect.
And my style that's still, you know. Well, you have 2 supermarkets where there's some.
Oh, maybe I just want to drive out with you.
No disrespect, still, you know. But, what's your name?
Nicola. But you can't call me Nikki.
Let me tell you something. You know, really mix business and pleasure, you know. So, if anything you have in your mind,
That can bring me?
come on, and bring us to the moment.
We can go to the supermarket now.
Raymond, you are reliable, you're a great worker, and you're punctual. However, your mouth is dirty, and you cannot speak to your workers, the co-workers, like that.
How me talk to them, Miss Jan? How me talk to them? Do all them for going on? They don't want to know what they're lazy, Miss Jan.
But that does not give you a right to tell them about their mother. That's wrong, and that's not polite, Raymond.
But Miss Jan, that's what me tell you know. When people aggravate me, they'll tell me when they come on my mouth, you know, Miss Jan. But they have to tell the truth. But them lazy and don't want to know work.
Yes, but there's a different approach. I will speak to them. That's not your job. Once you speak to me, I will speak to them. Alright? And I hope it does not go back to a situation like this.
Miss Jan, hope you talk to them, you know. Hope you talk to them because me I tell you, if you talk to them and they don't listen, and they will never talk to them, never tell them anything will come out of my mouth, Miss Jan. Anything will come out of my mouth, would have to fire me.
Raymond? Raymond?
Yes, Miss Jan.
Count backwards from 10 to 1 before you answer them, alright?
Miss Jan, me come to clean the grounds, I'm going to do maths. When me not come from 1 to 10.
It's 10 to 1, Raymond.
Oh, hi, gas station girl. What's your name again? Oh yes, Brenda.
Lincoln the year?
He set out for lunch. You won't be back until an hour or so. Would you like to leave a message for him?
So I mean I want to give you a message to Lincoln when me can do it myself.
Seems to me that if you could do that, you wouldn't be here. What? He's not taking your calls?
That and your business.
Brenda, can we have a woman to woman talk?
Well, we could have passed that for talk about.
Whatever you have done to Lincoln, he doesn't want to see you. It pains me to see young women like you beg and bow to get back in a man's life. Know your worth. Have some pride. You and Lincoln were never gonna last. Let's face it.
Face it. If you ever know one, do to your face in your girl. But over the last few days, me I learned self-control. I'ma tell you this. You see, Evie Flynn cannot take me back. You can't get him. Cause if me don't know nothing about that man there, me know him not like fabricated people. And faker than the cheap people you wear. I'ma tell you this. No man not out of my league. Cause me a good girl. Me independent. I'm a real. Me not have no message to Lincoln, but me have one for you. Try to make me buck your one away. You hear that Humpty Dumpty? Oh wait, buzz me. No bother.
You want me to come back for you?
No man, wait for me.
And they say you keep your card?
You can't bother with the teeth then, you know? So I just can't do it alone.